Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while since I've spoken to you all, but here I am. And in today's video I'm going to tell you all about all the events of Jai Hind College that I have been a part of, so that if you are a new admission or if maybe you have relatives who are thinking to join Jai Hind College, you all can refer to this video and take a decision which events you would like to take part in. So before we start, two terms that I'll be using. One is OC, that is the organizing committee. So organizing committee is because of whom the events happen. So I have been a part of the organizing committee, and because I am a creative person, I have been in the creatives department for a lot of events. So there are different departments like creatives, marketing, sponsorship, admin, a lot. So we have different departments as such. So when the events were offline until last year, we also had security. So when our guests enter, when our guests come, when our judges come, so we have a security team bringing them in from the gate, taking them out. Creatives department makes decoration to decorate the college, like we make props, we make basically the whole idea of decorating the college for the fest. Then marketing is bringing sponsors, sponsorship is bringing in sponsors, bringing gifting partners, all of that. Admin is in terms of coordinating with the authorities for permissions, so during the events, like before the event, you need to prepare. So you need space, college space, where you can, your whole team can sit and work. So space for that, permission for that. Then for the main event, you need permission. So admin coordinates all of that. And there are a lot of other departments. So this is the organizing committee. So the OC, and second is HOD, that is head of department. So whenever I talk about heads, I'm going to say HOD. So every department that I just mentioned, every department has a head, and in all the committees it differs. Some of the committees have subheads, some of them don't have subheads. Subheads are the people who work under the heads. So starting with, so I'll be going in order of starting from when the college starts, how the events happen, which events occur. So starting off with when you start, when you're in your 11th, our first event that we have in July, August, when the college starts, is Treasure Hunt. So Treasure Hunt is organized by the committee Gymkhana, JHC Gymkhana, Jai Hind College Gymkhana. They organize the welcome for the new members. Even the other, even 12, even 13, 14, 15, every standard person can take part, but it's the main purpose is to welcome the FYJCs. So we have Treasure Hunt. Then moving on towards August, September, we have Josh. So Josh is an individual committee, and what happens in Josh is it's within our college. So we encourage our own college participants to come and participate, and it's basically for the entertainment of everyone. So Josh happens in around August, September, and I'm going to show y'all. I have a lot of stuff to show y'all from all my events. It's a moment of pride, okay? It's a moment of pride. A lanyard. You get a lanyard of your name. So this is what we had last year from Josh, and that was about Josh. We have different committees in Josh again. We have creative, security, marketing, sponsorship, all of those. All the same departments. We have HODs. We don't have sub-HODs because it's a small committee, because we are managing it within the college. Like the main event is for within the college. So it's a small committee of 25, 30, 40 people, and the bond created is amazing. Like the 40 people you're working, so it's like 40 people can sit together and do all the work, in one space. So the bond created is really okay. So Josh, it happens on we sell passes to within our college for the students, so they have to buy passes and come for the event. The event happens in the college auditorium. Don't mind if I'm looking down. I have written notes, I'm just referring so that I don't miss out on it. So this is about August, September. Moving on to November, December. So in November, December we have two events. One is Kani by the committee named Kani, and second is Shout. Shout is by the Social and Dramatic Union, also known as SDU of Jai Hind College. So like it depends, sometimes Shout happens earlier, sometimes Kani happens first. So both of these are in November, December. So Kani is again an individual event, but here what happens is it's a very voluntary, a very participation event. You're getting what I'm saying. So like let's say for example we have open mics, we have acoustic nights, we have all those participation events, like no competitions, like you come, you express yourself, you connect with people of the same same talent, you connect with different people there. That is about Kani. This happens around November, December. This year we had Kani in January because of the online. So like the procedure takes time to adjust how to carry it forward online. How does it happen? So let me show you. That's our t-shirt for this year. They got it couriered and we have our names and our department names printed on it. So this is the t-shirt for Kani 2020. And yeah, so 2021, I'm sorry, 2021. So Kani is an event that happens for 2 days. There are schedules, like on one day this particular event has to happen on. So the main event is for a span of 2 to 3 days. Within those main days there are slots for different events. Like I said, open mic, we have workshops like fluid art, so that way. Moving on to SDU, that is Shout, and you can see me flexing the t-shirt. This is from last year, so just ignore if this has peeled off, but it's a beautiful t-shirt. You have the SDU logo, you have Jai Hind logo, you have the event Shout, and you have your department. So I was in the Fine Arts and Creatives department last year and this year as well. So basically what we do is, when it was offline, as I said, we make the whole decoration for the college and we decorate like the gates, the doors, the classrooms where events are going to be taking place, the auditorium, the basement. We make decoration for that, like literally with our hands. Another thing, what happens is every department, now see these three departments, performing arts, literary arts and fine arts. These three departments have competitions. Okay, let me tell you what happens mainly. Like the main thing about Shout is it's a competitive event. Okay, it's amongst colleges. So different colleges like HR, KC, Nationals, all different colleges participate in our college fest Shout. What happens is these colleges, when they come, they can't come with their own college name. They are given codes or they are given certain names by us, and they cannot reveal their identity for the span of those 3 days. And that makes it the most fun because the audience does not know who is who, and you don't know which great performances of which college. And in between, so there are PR points. PR is public relations. There are PR points. Every activity or every participation the college has, they get certain points from us to win the main trophy on the third day. There is a trophy, winning trophy. So that is about Shout. That it's a competitive event. So the creatives department, coming back, creatives, FA, LA, PA. These three departments have to make events, six to seven events of their department for which people will participate. So let me give you an example. This year, since it was virtual, we had one virtual art event. Next we had there could be mask painting online, there could be fluid art, so we have to design paintings with twists in between. So like now let me tell you, we had a virtual art event. So what we had given them is you design a card the playing cards. You design one of them, and then at a 40-minute break, 40 to 45-minute interval, you have to come to us and we will give you a color scheme. I'm giving examples, so you have to incorporate that color scheme in what you have already made. So twists like that. This happens in online as well as offline. I'm just telling you what we did this year for online event. So this is what happens. Same goes with performing arts. They have to design events based on dance, drama, music, and twists. Like for each event they have to design twists. Same goes for literary arts, the literary events with twists. That is about Shout. Shout is a 3-day event, and again there are lot of memories you can create from these events. It is too good. Like I cannot even explain in words.
Yeah, because you get to go to college at 6 in the morning and do all the work, which is fun.
More than going to college, for college, I think all the students of Jai Hind College want to go for events, to do events. Trust me, the people who did not take part in events in their 11th, this year, all of them, so many of them came. So yeah, what happens, people who don't participate in the 11th, they observe everything, and then their friends are going. I participated in everything. I took part in everything. I took part in Josh, I took part in Shout. I was a part of Gymkhana, but there was a point when I felt, oh my god, there's too much. So I left Gymkhana in between. But then I took part in Hoj Malo. How much can I tell you? I'm tired. I get tired talking about the events. I keep explaining to people, there's so much you can do. Moving on to our next event, that is Hoj Malo. All my Sindhis, wake up, my Sindhi friends. Here I am flaunting the t-shirt of Hoj Malo as well. So this was our t-shirt of last year. It says committee member. Even if it is committee member, it is a feeling of pride. At most, I feel very, very happy. Also, I have a lanyard. I'm not showing you my ID card because I can't give you my address. But we also have a lanyard from Hoj Malo. So Hoj Malo is the Sindhi event of the year, the biggest event. Again, this is one of a very big. We have around 200 OC members, and it is organized by Sindhi Circle. So the Sindhi Circle is the committee, and the event name is Hoj Malo. So the organizing committee, again, this is again a competition like Shout, but this is for Sindhi colleges. So we have lot of Sindhi colleges participating, and we have events on dance, drama, music, and when people dance or sing on Sindhi songs, my Sindhi friends, you will know you cannot stop dancing. You just cannot stop dancing when the other people are dancing on stage. So what happens in Hoj Malo, we invite Sindhi audience, but this audience is general. We take people from our families, we take even students can come, that's not a problem. But we invite, so we have a lot of old audience, so all those oldies enjoying, looking at them enjoying, and looking at people dancing at the stage. Too good. It's so much fun. Why am I moving so much right now? Because I can visualize everything in front of me, all the flashbacks. So yeah, this was about Hoj Malo, and apart from this, we have JHC Expressions. That is it's a one-day event. I guess I wasn't a part of it, but it's a one-day event, and we basically have people come and participate and express their talent. So there was this last year there was this physical exhibition where I displayed my paintings. So basically again, JHC Expressions places a platform for us to present our talent. Then we have RCJC, that is the Rotaract Club of Jai Hind College. This department again I wasn't a part of, but it is one of, like, it has social causes, you know, like they do street plays, they do lot of social, like their purpose is to engage with the society basically. So that is what happens in RCJC. They keep having multiple events every single week. Like every single week RCJC has something, either for you to participate or for you to organize that way. Then we have Gymkhana. As I told you all before, Gymkhana has 4 to 5 events in the full year. So it's like spread across. So we have, like, first we have treasure hunt, as I said. Then they have marathons in between. That way Gymkhana is basically the sports, you know, the sports and the activity part of activity kind of events. So that is about Gymkhana. Then last we have Talash. Talash is for degree college for the BMS department. This is what knowledge I have, like, for the time that I have been in Jai Hind College, and it has been amazing. This is the knowledge that I have. There are lot many other events. I can tell you all, I have been telling people, join Jai Hind College. My juniors, I have been telling them, join Jai Hind College. Every single week there is an event happening in the auditorium. This was when we had offline, but even online, every single week there is something or the other happening, and there is so much exposure. Like, it feels now I can contact, I know how to talk to judges, how to invite judges, I know about what is sponsorship, what is marketing, how creatives works to decorate the college. I know, you know, you get to know so much. Like, school is like you're within school over there for like so many years. The activities are very, it's like there are boundaries. But once you know, you must, like, at least in your 11th, you should not avoid joining these events, you know, because see, out of 10 departments, there has to be one department that you are good in. Even if you're good in talking to people, you can go for the public relations, to invite people, to invite judges. So, you know, yeah, I mean, I'm getting speechless. What can I say? I hope you're understanding my emotions. But yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Share it with all the people you know who would want to join Jai Hind College or who are already in Jai Hind College. Yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.